Hello students. In the last session we have discussed about basic signal operations like time shifting and time reversal. So now we are going to discuss about the problems that already I have given in the last session. So sketch the following signals. So first I am going to sketch first problem, that is v of minus t plus 2. So minus t plus 2 we are having. First, how to obtain the signal. The signal u of minus t plus 2 can be obtained first drawing a unit step signal u of t like this. This is unit step signal u of t which is having the magnitude 1. Having the magnitude 1. And this is a time axis. Then after drawing u of t, you have to do the time reversing the signal u of t about a t is equal to 0. So already we know that time reversal is also known as a folding signal. So for the u of t, and you have to first draw u of minus t. So how to draw u of minus t? It is nothing but folding at a t is equal to 0. Just you have to turn the positive t values, negative t values and negative t values to positive t values. Now I am having the signal like this, which is also having the magnitude 1. And then shifting the reversed signal to the right side by 2 units of time to obtain u of minus t plus 2. So he has given 2 units shifting, and here I am having minus t plus 2 equal to 0. So from this we have to know first whether the signal has to shift either right side or left side. So how to know? I already told you, you have to consider the inner value, that is minus t plus 2. You have to make it equal to 0 such that I will get t is equal to 2. T is equal to 2 means positive value. Okay. So for plus 2, here t is equal to plus 2. This is t is equal to 0 and this is t is equal to 2, and the signal is u of minus t plus 2. For this I have shifted 2 units of time towards the right side. So the signal is towards left side only, u of minus t plus 2. So this is a first problem. Okay. Next, second problem is minus 2u t plus 2. X of t is equals to minus 2 into u of t plus 2. So first you have to draw u of t, and this is u of t. It is having the magnitude 1. Next, what is u of t plus 2? Means t plus 2 equal to 0. I am having t is equal to minus 2. So wherever you are having t value, you have to add this minus 2. Here I am having t is equal to 0. Next, 0 plus minus 2, that is minus 2 only. So t is equal to minus 2. T is equal to minus 2 means where here t is equal to minus 2. From this the signal is moving towards right side like this, which is having the magnitude 1. So this is u of t plus 2. Next I am having u of t plus 2 is multiplied with minus 2. Here there is a change in amplitude. Till now we have discussed about the variations on time axis, that is either positivity values or negativity values. Now I am having minus 2 multiplied. This is nothing but amplitude. So here till now we are discussing by considering the u of t as a unit step signal, that is the magnitude is 1. Now the magnitude is multiplied with 2. So here minus 2 into u of t plus 2. The signal is like this. that is multiplied with the minus 2. So this is amplitude positive values and this is amplitude negative values, and it is multiplied with minus 2. This is minus 2 line. Okay, and here we are having the time is from negative side only. So this is minus 2. So from here I am having the signal like this. So this is minus 2 into u of t plus 2. Next, in the same way, I am having minus 4 into r of t. Generally, what is r of t? R of t is like this, which is having this slope 1. Okay. So how do we know that it is having the slope 1? Because r of t can be obtained by like this. This is mathematically represented as t. For t greater than 0 and remaining values, that is negative values, it is having 0. So t, if I consider t is equal to 1, t is equal to 1. If I consider here 2, it is also 2. It is 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. So here then the slope will become 1. How means? See, it is 0 comma 0. For every t value, wherever you consider, if I consider it is 1. So r of t is equal to t itself. Whatever the value you consider, the same magnitude it will have. That is 1, for example. So this is 1 here. If I consider 2, here also 2. Somewhere around here I am getting. So if I consider all values, for all values I will get a straight line which is having the slope 1. So how to consider the slope 1? It is 0 comma 0. If I consider this point, it is 1 comma 1. Okay. So 0 comma 0, 1 comma 1. So this is x1 y1, x2 y2. How to calculate the slope? Slope m is equal to always y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So y2 1 minus 0 divided by 1 minus 0. I will get slope 1. So wherever you consider, you will get slope as 1 only. But here in the given problem, it is having the slope minus 4. Okay, if only r of t is present, means it is here 1 is present, you have to consider, and it has a slope. Okay, here whatever the value we are having, that should be considered as a slope value. So how to write minus 4 into r of t? So I will draw now. Minus 4 into r of t is equal to minus 4 into r of t. The given problem, x of t is equal to. So how to draw this minus 4 into r of t? The signal x of t is a ramp signal with a slope minus 4, I am saying. So how to get minus 4 as a slope? So now I am drawing the signal like this. This is the signal r of t, which is having the slope minus 4. So how I draw this signal which is having the slope minus 4? We already know that the formula, slope formula, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, and I know that always the initial values are considered as 0. That is x1 y1 are always 0. If x1 y1 are always 0, then what is the slope formula? Slope formula will become y2 by x2 only, and y2 by x2 is equal to, I got minus 4. So how to consider this y2 by x2 as minus 4, and what are the values we can substitute to get the minus 4, right? Okay, so from that we can get the slope as minus 4, and minus means always it is decreasing slope. If plus 4 is there, then the diagram will be like this. This is plus 4 slope. The slope is increasing like this. So this is decreasing slope. That's why the slope, it is having minus number inside it. So here it is 1 and it is minus 4. Directly we have to consider the magnitude. Here the negative amplitude as minus 4. If it is minus 4 and it is 1 only, minus 4 by 1 will always give us minus 4. So you have to blindly consider to get the slope minus 4. We have to consider the amplitude here. Because it is minus, you have to consider the negative values of amplitude that is inside or below this horizontal line. Above horizontal line will give us the positive amplitude. Below this horizontal line will consider it as a negative amplitude. So to get slope minus 4, you have to consider blindly the magnitude as minus 4. If it is minus 4 and this value is always becoming 1. So minus 4 by 1 will give us minus 4. So this is a ramp signal. Next problem, x of t is equals to 2 into r of t minus 2. So how to draw this diagram? This can be obtained by drawing first a ramp signal r of t. Next you have to draw 2 into r of t. 2 into r of t means it is having a slope is equal to plus 2. Next then shifting right side, because we are having t minus 2. If we made it equal to 0, t minus 2 equal to 0, I will get t is equal to plus 2. Plus 2 means always the plus time values are in right side of vertical line. That's why shifting right side by how many units? 2 units to obtain 2 into r of t minus 2. Okay. See, first this is r of t, which is having slope 1, and this is time axis. Next we have to get the slope 2 plus 2 slope. So how to get plus 2 slope? I already told you, if we are having the value, and that value should be considered as a amplitude. If we are having plus value, we have to consider it as a plus 2, and you have to draw. This is r of t and it is having slope 2, and this corresponding value you have to consider always as 1. Before, earlier it is minus 4, and you have to consider remaining value as 1, because minus symbol is there in front of this r of t. Here plus symbol is there, so you have to consider upside of this horizontal. It will give the positive amplitude. So plus 2 and remaining, because x1 y1 is always 0. Okay, x1 y1 0 comma 0. Now x2 1, y2 2. To get positive slope, what is the formula? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. You will get plus 2 slope only. So to do that one, you just consider this. Next, I have drawn 2 into r of t. Next, what we have to do? Shifting right side by 2 units. You have to shift right side like this. You have to mention it is having the slope 2, and what is the signal? U of t minus, sorry, r of t minus 2 with 2 into. So this is x of t is equal to 2 into r of t minus 2. Okay. Next. So here you may get the doubt like this. Here I am having, if we are having a problem like which involves both time shifting and uh, time scaling. So actually we haven't discussed about time scaling. Okay, in the next session we'll discuss about time scaling. So till now these are the problems, and I want to discuss one more problem, that is r of minus t plus 3. Okay. Okay, so here see, this problem is having both time reversal and time shifting. This is reversal. Yes, this is a concept I want to discuss. This is a reversal and this is shifting. So we have discussed already two types of time based operations on signals, that is time shifting and time reversal. Again, shifting involves two, advanced and delayed. So here if we are having the problem like this which is involving two operations, so first which operation we have to do? If I do first reversal and next shifting, what is the signal I am getting? And we also see first shifting next reversal, what is the problem, what is the answer we are going to see. So here I am always preferred that to get r of minus t plus 3 signal, first I will draw r of t, next I will go for r of minus t, then I will go for r of minus t plus 3. Okay, so this is r of t which is having slope 1. Next r of minus t, this is positive t values and this is negative t values. So how to get r of minus t? This is r of minus t, okay, which is also having slope 1 only. Next r of minus t plus 3. So minus t plus 3 equal to 0. So t is equal to 3. So positive plus 3. So this is plus 3 and the signal flow towards negative side only, like this I will have the signal. So this is r of minus t plus 3 I am saying. So what will happen if the same problem I will do first by shifting, next reversal. Okay, r of t, next what I am doing, r of t plus 3, next I am doing the reversal, r of minus t plus 3. R of t having slope 1, next r of t plus 3. R of t plus 3 means t plus 3 equal to 0, right? So t is equal to minus 3. So t value I got minus 3, but the signal is moving towards positive values only. So this is t is equal to minus 3. Like this I will get, which is also having slope 1. Next, I am doing the reversal. Okay. So what will happen if I do time reversal for this signal? Time reversal means positive values will become negative values and negative values will become positive values. So plus minus 3 will become plus 3. But the signal is moving or the slope is increasing in a positive direction. So like this I will get. Okay. So you observe the difference between these two and tell me what you have concluded. Thank you.